Rural Development Panchayati Raj Minister T.H. Biswajit today kicked off the 13th Regional SARAS Fair at HAPTA KANGJEIBUNG, Imphal. The 10-day-long fair is organized by Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission, Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Government of Manipur. 100 stalls have been put up at the venue. Manipur University today observed the National Science Day 2020 at the Library Conference Hall of the university under the theme Women in Science. During the function, a book titled Minds on Fire written by Professor Devananda S. Nithaujam was released. Heritage Convent Uripok has included Manipuri martial art Thangta as one of the optional subjects in the school syllabus today. KANGJEI Indigenous Martial Arts and Cultural Society KIMEX has been demanding inclusion of Thangta as an optional subject in school syllabus since 2003 with a vision to preserve and promote this age-old martial art form of Manipur. A team of Manipuri diaspora from Assam, Silchar, led by Chairman of Joint Action Committee for Safeguard of Indigenous Manipuri People Silchar, Dr. K. Chand Singh today arrived in Imphal to meet Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. The team will discuss with the Chief Minister on key issues faced by Manipuris living in Assam during the proposed meeting. A Meitei Pangal student in Delhi's Chirag reportedly received death threat from mainland Indians with racist comments. According to our correspondent, the complainant found the death threat note at his front door. Meanwhile, in view of the violence in Delhi, Manipuri Students Association Delhi Masad has provided helpline numbers in different areas of the capital city. Masad President Chinkai Saikhom said that regarding the death threat to a Meitei Pangal, a complaint letter has been submitted to Nodal Officer Northeast Cell, Delhi. Life was limping back to normalcy in some parts of the right-hit Northeast Delhi, with police and paramilitary personnel maintaining strict vigil in view of Friday prayers at mosques. Police officers said they were also making extra efforts to quell rumors and holding regular flag marches and interactions in the neighborhood of affected areas in confidence-building measures, a media report said. At least 38 people were killed and over 200 injured in the communal clashes that broke out in Northeast Delhi on Monday after violence between citizenship law supporters and protesters spiraled out of control. Technopal District Deputy Commissioner M. Rajkumar inspected the coronavirus screening centers at Moreh today. Sub-Divisional Officer Moreh Irengbam Dinesh Kumar and a team of doctors from Moreh Hospital accompanied him during the inspection visit. Dr. Thaunaujam Leimaton Chanu conducted a free dental checkup program today at Highway English School, Chandrapur, JIRI. Students from class 1 to 8 got dental checkup. Common ailments like tooth decay and gum diseases were checked up during the program. Mainland China had 327 new confirmed cases of coronavirus infections yesterday, the country's National Health Commission said today, down from 433 cases a day earlier. That brings the total accumulated number of confirmed cases in mainland China so far to 78,824, as per a media report. The death toll from the outbreak in mainland China reached 2,788 as of the end of Thursday, up to 44 from the previous day. A Manipuri short film, Pay, The Umbrella, directed by Rakesh Moirangthem, has been nominated for CHALACHITRAM National Film Festival 2020. The award ceremony will be held on March 6 to 8 at Jyoti Chitrabon Film Studio, Guwahati. Angry members of civil society, residents of Uchathol, Harinagar and Aglapur, and club members have locked the 50-bedded JIRI hospital this morning in protest. The residents blame the chief medical officer for being an incompetent leader in operating the hospital. Science Unit of Zonal Education Office JEO Zone 2 Imphal East District today organized a district-level National Science Day 2020 at WANGKHEI High School. The theme of the event was Women in Science. Mizoram government is yet to get environment and forest clearance for the 87.18 km cross-border road under the ambitious Kaladan Multi-Modal Transit Transport Project. This was informed by State Chief Minister Zoramthanga in the State Assembly yesterday. Zoramthanga, who is also the State PWD Minister, said forest clearance could not be final due to certain problems. At the recently concluded visit by US President Donald Trump, India took up the issue of totalization agreement apart from the H-1B work visa matter pertaining to Indian professionals in the US. Totalization is broadly the money that Indian professionals contribute to the US Social Security scheme while they work in America. The International Olympic Committee is committed to holding the 2020 Games in Tokyo as planned despite the widening new coronavirus outbreak, the body's president has pledged. The IOC is fully committed to a successful Olympic Games in Tokyo starting July 24th, as per a report. Japan has also seen 4 deaths related to the virus among nearly 200 known infections.